Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Do you want more sales, more leads, and more visibility online? Then this video is for you. Today I will show you powerful digital marketing struggles that actually work. So let's go. So this is our home screen. First, what is digital marketing? What use digital marketing use online channels like website, social media, email media and search engine to promote products, promote your products, uh, builds brand and uh, I think on your data to target audience through struggle such as SEO, content marketing, PPC ads, and influencer. It all making marketing efforts using digital tech from mobile apps and SMS to web brands ads, offering decided interest and cost efficiency compared to traditional methods. So I think digital marketing and digital marketing, what salary, how much people, what salary earn, what money earn, how much earn. So digital marketing salary is very role, experience and location. With USA professional as averaging 60,000 k, 60,000, 80,000 annually, and Bangladesh specialist earnings BDT 20k, 50k per month. Top rules like managers can earn over 130k dollar in the US or BDT 2040, 1 lakh, 2 lakh per month in Bangladesh, defined by skills and sincerity. So this is digital marketing use, I think, 1 minute. You look digital marketing use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, various. Yeah, that's it for today's videos. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. See you the next time, next on. Bye bye.